Hey guys, it's Melanie, and today we have a pretty exciting video. I get so many questions about my lashes, especially since I have Asian lashes, which kind of sucks because they're super straight and they go straight down and they don't, look good usually. But I get a ton of DMs and comments and questions about what mascara I use and just the mascara routine in general. So I figured I would show you guys. My mascara routine is really simple, to say the least. And that's why I've been kind of hesitant about filming this in the first place, because it's the simplest thing ever. But I get a lot of questions, so I figured I'd show you guys anyways. So other than that, we're just gonna get straight into this video. I'm gonna show you guys my daily kind of mascara routine, but I actually don't wear mascara every day. Okay, well, let's get on to this video. Hope you guys enjoy. So this is what my natural lashes look like. They really aren't anything special. I always start off with curling my lashes, which I honestly believe is the key to having nice lashes. I got my eyelash curler from Marshall's for like $3. I believe it's the brand Danielle. Any curler is fine, but personally, I prefer one that has a spring in it. To start off, I'll just really lightly run my finger over my lashes just to make sure that they're not tangled or anything. When curling my lashes, I like to start at the base and give it a few pumps and then move it to the middle and give it another squeeze and then go to the tips and give it another light squeeze just to ensure that my lashes are really curly and stay curled the entire day. I think that the curl is the key to having longer looking lashes, so basically when I'm curling them, I curl the heck out of my lashes. Now that my eyelashes are no longer stick straight, I am going to go into using my mascara. The best mascara that I have used so far from drugstore and high-end is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise in waterproof. I use this in the darkest black color. It's super good at holding my curl, even for my stick straight Asian lashes, so I love this mascara. Plus it's from the drugstore, so it's pretty affordable. When applying this mascara, I like to start off at the base of my lashes and then in a wiggling motion, just start to bring the mascara up lightly towards the tips. It really is pretty self-explanatory and I don't really do anything special, but I just continue applying it like this until I get the look that I like. Basically, I just try to apply more at the base and less towards the tips. Of course, I go ahead and do the exact same process on the other eye. As you can see, I get a lot of mascara on my eyelids. That's just because I'm very bad at applying my mascara, even though I do it like every day, but this is easily taken care of later. When I'm applying my mascara, I also find it very useful to hold my mirror at a lower angle just to make sure that I'm evenly coating all of the lashes. Now that I'm done actually applying the mascara, I am clearly in the need of some cleanup. For this, I just take a Q-tip with a little bit of makeup remover on it and wipe off all of the mascara on my eyelids. Once I've done that, I am finished with my lashes. Okay guys, so that was the video. That's how I do my lashes on the daily. I hope that you guys enjoyed and that it was helpful for you. Let me know if it works for you guys, or if you have any other mascara or eyelash tips or hacks, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all so much and I'll see you in the next video. Bye guys!